Hey, we just come and give y'all some little updates. The Tatiana Taylors, the Zoom Air Comfort ones, they did sell out. I went on there. I was thinking it's going to be a draw. So I went on there like 10:02. I gone, they only had a 4.5, a 5, and an 8. And then I was like, well, let me just go ahead and go for the 8 just so I can have some sneaker content for y'all. Got in line for the 8, and they said it's
Wow.
2 minutes gone. Bam.
Okay.
Hey,
Okay.
he was really
Yeah.
feeling those Tatiana Tenders, and definitely the resale value is staying up on those things. They're still hovering around 285, 290. So if you was able to score one, congratulations.
Yeah. Congrats on that. Yeah. Well, the Air Jordan the twos, they pushed them back, so
For
stay
real.
tuned to that. Yeah, they pushed them back. So right now the date is not out. So just stay tuned with us
Okay.
and we'll let you know when that update is out there for us the date. But we wanted to get some clarification with you guys on the Indigo Haze. Um, they are women's shoes. So, get clarity there. They are
Bad,
women's
my
shoes.
bad.
And those are the Indigo Haze, which do come out tomorrow.
Appreciate that.
Yes,
And
sir.
also, we want to follow today. There was exclusive access on Finish Line today for the Jordan 1 Wash Heritage. When I went in, I did go in there kind of late, but when I got in, at least here in North Carolina, like all sizes are pretty much available, like 1 through 12, like was there, still
Mm,
sitting there. I think only the 13 was gone. But again, because I'm not a ones man, I'm sorry, bro. It was a pass for me.
right, right. I get it. I get it. Hey, but is there any rumors out there that we need to know about?
If you haven't seen already, there's rumors about the Travis 1 Jordan 1 low. This is unfortunately going to be a golf shoe, but hey, if you're a golf player and you do like Travis 1, then they hopefully they will drop that shoe. But that's right now, it's just early photo leaks. Hopefully, we will see a Jordan 1 low golf shoe. Stay
Right,
tuned for that.
right. I don't know if you heard PGA and the Live went ahead and joined forces. So I can see that shoe really doing good,
Oh,
when it
wow.
does. So they did join forces. Some like it and some don't, but I see it being a good thing. Hey, if you like content like this, hey, click on that video there.
And like we always say, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.